This challenge is easy. I don't need to turn the cube. I'm just gonna go get some food. I didn't feel like filming a video anyway. If you ask me, out of all of the cubes that have ever existed, which colored side has been turned the most? I would be pretty confident in guessing the yellow side. The reason for this is the standard color scheme has white across from yellow, and most people solve the white cross first, which makes yellow the top face. If you watch any high-level solve, almost every second move is the yellow face turning. This is because the yellow layer is solved last, which means that it has the most freedom to move around. And also, turning the top layer makes for very good finger tricks, so we optimize a lot of our algorithms to turn the top layer many times. You don't have to have yellow as your top layer color, you can start on a different color, but most people start with white, so most people have yellow on top. Wait, that's easy, I just need to start with the yellow cross. Okay, that was pretty much a normal solve. Let's make it more interesting. So I'll just do the orange cross and I will be careful not to turn the yellow side. All right, so let's go. There's my cross, didn't turn yellow. All right, white and blue. Okay, these two are fine because I don't turn the yellow side to solve it. These, how can I, okay, you know what? I'll just do the other pair first. All right, great, now I turn the blue side to solve it. There we go. This doesn't turn the yellow side, and what we got here, this is no yellow side turning. Just have to be careful. There we go. 30 seconds. It's a +2, but it's not a yellow +2, so it's all good. Okay, there's no putting it off anymore. I'm gonna have to do the white cross, which means yellow will be on top. And this is gonna be a lot more difficult. Get ready, because I may accidentally turn the yellow side at any time. So I can pretty much do the white cross normally. Don't turn the yellow side, okay. This pair, okay, the normal way I solve it turns to the top, but I can solve it like this too, and that doesn't turn the yellow side. Ah, smart. This is the same pair, but this needs to move over and I can't really do that. Okay, what else we got? This pair. Well, oh no, I need to use a lot of U moves. Ugh, wait. Sledge, ooh, that doesn't use U moves. Here it is, and I can sledge it in too. Wow, okay, big brain plays. Corner edge. Oh, I can keyhole this. Okay, watch this. D2, put an unsolved corner here, sledge the edge in D2. Ooh, okay, these two. Wow, I actually have no clue what I would do. Let me just solve one piece at a time then. Let me solve the corner first. Sledge, that puts it over here. I really need to do some U moves. Ugh. Well, if I sledge again, it goes back. It's a different orientation now. What if I did something like that? Oh, okay, now it's on top. I can do triple sledge here. All right, perfect. Now, sledge can pair them up, but I can't really insert them, can I? I've legitimately been thinking about this for a long time, but I think I can maybe do 3-style and put the center in a different spot. So, let's do that. Okay. Now, if this goes here, which goes here, I think I can do this without turning the yellow side. Let's just carefully watch the yellow side. Uh-oh, that moves it. Okay, good, good. Yellow side didn't turn. No, I put it in flipped, I'm stupid. It's here now, and I can move this here and do this 3-style. No, that turns the yellow side. Oh, I know. Yellow to the bottom, and then Ugh. Yellow's not rotating, right? Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This OLL, this is great. This one doesn't turn the yellow side. Oh, let's go. Okay, and then I have a G perm. So the problem is, no matter how I do this PLL, it's going to turn the yellow side. I need to find some kind of trick. What if, okay, I'll move the center away again, but I can't do a G perm like that because I need these two edges up there. So maybe I'll just do a T perm to solve the edges. Ooh, can I do a U perm without U moves? Get the center away, do this. Ooh, this is a U perm. This one goes here. No, I still have a U move. What am I supposed to do? Oh no, that's a +2. All right, I got a 7-minute time. I want you guys to guess in the comments how fast I'll be able to do this challenge with White Cross. And please go easy on me. And I didn't even actually solve it, but the WCA regulation says you can have it off by 1 turn and it counts as +2 seconds. So technically this is complete, right? Okay, before we move on, I actually know how to solve this, but I really didn't want to do it, and it's kind of a cheat you can use to turn a side without actually turning that side. One way you can do it is R prime, L prime, F2, B2, RL, and that doesn't turn the yellow side, but it puts all the yellow pieces in the white side. And then you just have to turn the white side the way you want it to. So I needed a U prime, so this will be a D prime, and then just do the same thing to get all these pieces back up. So R prime, L prime, F2, B2, RL. It's not really cheating, but it's just like a really stupid workaround to not turn that side. I really wanted to be clever about it rather than just like do this over and over. I'm gonna try again. I think I can do it smarter this time, and I can definitely shatter my record of 7 minutes. Let's just start. I didn't even see the third cross piece. Okay. I think I had a good strategy the other time of solving a corner. There's with a keyhole, there's that corner, and the edge is here. I can I do, ooh, I can move it along. There we go. Okay, then I can just do D, insert this with keyhole and D prime. Perfect. I feel like well, I have something good I can do there, but I don't think it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna do what I just did. Move this over, keyhole in this edge. Wow, this is actually a great method. So put this one in. Hold up, I can't keyhole in that one. Okay, I think I have an idea. It'll have to break this pair, but it's the best one I got. So I'm going to